Keyness clustering. Okay, so this is downloaded actually. This is downloaded from the internet, and you have to calculate certain values like x max, x mean, and other things. You have to import this, right? Let me show you that file also. In feature clustering, it is there. See, I am selecting an Excel file here. Tomorrow, I think Dr. Sai will explain line by line. Okay, how to write this code. He will start from the very basic. What is the simple code? If you want to print your name, what is the code? Like everything he will explain in a very easiest manner. Then you will be able to understand how to open a file, Excel file, everything. Here also I am doing open Excel. I am doing this one. Excel file I am opening. I am saying each row belongs to one particular category. Then I am calculating maximum, minimum, mean, standard deviation. Other values I am calculating, and I will do for each and every row. That is what the code explains. Now once this is done, you will just click here also the start button, and see, you can see the graphs on the right hand side, right? So the Python is having this advantage, it will also generate the graph. That is why you have to use it. So whatever the beautiful graphs I am showing, okay, the Python can generate it, and you can use it for publishing. Okay, if you want to publish something, it is better to write something in the Python and get the beautiful graphs. This can be directly used for your paper or your thesis work. Okay, so this thing I think Dr. Sai will clearly explain you tomorrow how to write a Python code. Okay, it will take some time. He will begin with